Question number 1. Is psychoanalysis resembles cosmetics or surgery? Question number 2. Why do people wear makeup? Why do they put on makeup? Question number 3. What is the function, or let's say usage, of cosmetics? What is its function? And the last question, why do men dye their hair? Why do they dye their hair? Well, in the course of this video, I'm going to answer to these 4 questions. If I want to be more precise, they are all related to the first question, and that would be, is psychoanalysis resembles to cosmetics or surgery? Okay, this is the third part of some mini lectures about getting familiar with clinical psychoanalysis. As you might already know or remember, in the very first part of these mini lectures, I posed 6 questions. With respect to the second question, which is the topic of this talk, and that would be whether psychoanalysis resembles cosmetics or surgery, I would like to compare these 2 items. As to the former, I mean cosmetics, most probably women are heavily into it. Some ladies spend a fortune on cosmetics. That's why they can answer this question way better. Why do people wear makeup? What is the function of cosmetics? As far as I know, wearing makeup is a way of hiding the truth, or strictly speaking, it's a method by which you can distort the truth. This way you can look more attractive. When you wear makeup, you can look more attractive, but this is not to say that you are more attractive. You can conceal or hide the truth from the world, from other people, by, I don't know, cosmetics and wearing makeup. But how about yourself? Can you hide the truth from yourself by cosmetics or so? This is a way of just lying to others, just lying to the world. But the point is that sometimes things are getting to the point where the person themselves believe it, let alone others. For instance, why do men dye their hair? Why do men dye their hair? Once you reach middle age, you start to go gray, or even prior to that time. It's pretty typical. You start to go gray. You dye your hair to pretend that there's nothing wrong with your hair, and you've got a luxuriant black hair, and you're not getting older. So you try your utmost to say to the world that you're not getting older and there is nothing wrong with your hair. You are 50 years of age, as an example, but you pretend to be 20. But the truth, this is the point that I have to make, but the truth is the other way around. The truth is the other way around. Now, with regard to the latter, I mean surgery, it could be argued that the surgeon cuts your body open to remove the malignant tumor or tumors. You never know. They open it up to remove the tumors. tumors could be seen by virtue of the operation. Please note that you might lie to the world about your health, but this is not to say that there is not a malignant tumor within your body. Therefore, the sooner you take the measures, the better. Otherwise, there will come a day that nothing could be done about your illness. No way. Now, answer this question, if you will. Which group, which field, do you put psychoanalysis in? Cosmetics or surgery? Answer this question, if you will. Which group do you put psychoanalysis in? Surgery or cosmetics? That's right. You just hit the nail right on the head. Psychoanalysis has got nothing to do with cosmetics and wearing makeup. None whatsoever. The psychoanalyst puts your body open to show you the malignant tumors which could be removed. Whatever makeup the individual has worn in the course of their life, they should be removed. The psychoanalyst rinses the makeup with the naked truth. No matter how many lies you have heard throughout your life, it doesn't matter. They will be exposed all together. The psychoanalyst bring the lies to the light. Or let's say they bring the lies, the covert lies, yes, that's right. They bring the covert lies to the light. All strategies that you've been pursuing ever since you were born to be as forgetful as possible, the strategies whereby you did your best to escape from the truth, they will be foiled altogether. But it is important to bear in mind that the process is pretty slow. Its pace. Well, all things considered, psychoanalysis is pretty similar to surgery. But then again, there's a difference between psychoanalysis and surgery. With that said, I would like to point out the difference. When you have surgery, saving your presence, it's just an example. You must be given a sedative. When you have surgery, you must be given a sedative. At the very least, you ought to be on some tranquilizers. It depends on the operation. Sometimes you should be given anesthetics. You should use anesthetics. It depends on the operation. No wonder psychoanalysis pace is pretty slow. You know why? The point is that when it comes to psychoanalysis, there aren't any sedatives or anesthetics. That's why its pace and process is quite slow. Okay, therefore, one more item. It's time consuming. It's not just a matter of 1 week, I don't know, a few months. No, it is time consuming. Okay, I think it's enough for one day, but just one last thing. As you might remember, in the very first part of these lectures, I said that I would prepare and upload these videos, these lectures, if not once a week, every second week. Now I would like to stand corrected because I cannot keep that promise. Even if I work at full throttle to prepare, to provide and upload videos, still I cannot do it once a week or every other week. You know why? I cannot keep that promise, and I have a cast iron excuse for that. Given that I am primarily a full-time psychoanalyst who should be here, who should work at this clinic as a clinician, psychoanalyst. My university degree is clinical psychologist, but my field of expertise is psychoanalysis. So I should be here every day from early in the morning till late at night. And in light of the psychoanalytic research, which I also conduct every day, what I'm able to do, at least for the time being, is to prepare and upload lecture videos on a monthly basis. That's what I'm sure that could be done. But having said that, I do my best to do so, to prepare to continue these lectures every third week. But the thing which you can count on for sure is once a month. Okay? That's it for now, and see you.